Yeah, well, here we're trying to change an oxygen sensor. We're going to change it anyway. And it takes a special socket for this, because it always has a wire attached to it for the to hook up. See, that's why it has the slot in it for the wire. And Roy went to get a reducer, because I have a 3/8 here. We need the breaker bar is a 1/2 inch, so we have to have a reducer. So he went to get that, and we'll resume as he gets back. The wire, I already did that. It's clear down here. I gotta get around the wire part and get on the socket. There it goes. Okay. Now, hopefully this will be able to break it loose. Being longer and all. And it did it. Thank you very much.
Yep.
It's really loose now.
Yeah.
Okay, wise guy. Wire wrapping around my stuff. That's fine though.
Right, take the socket off.
Okay, wise guy. It's really wrapped around there. Let's see if we can get it by hand. It's way down there. I have to get it started anyway. There we go. Oh, that's it. Okay.
Oh. Let's take a look how.
And the new one.
That is pretty dirty.
Yeah, pretty
compared
nasty.
to the new one.
Yep. Okay.
Well,
Get this started. And make sure the plug-in's the same. Yep. Yep. Okay.
and, I don't know if we can see down there where that hole is at very well. Yeah, there it is.
I'm glad you could see it. I think that's it, isn't it? Nope.
Well, can't really. With your hand there, focus on your hand and not down below, so I can't really see. But anyway, there's where you have screw for. You just got to get lined up. Make sure you don't get it cross-threaded, because that won't be any fun.
Oh, heck no. Yay! Okay, where's it caught on? You silly savage, where it caught in here. Around the thing over here. Okay. Get it as far as I can with my by hand.
Yep.
That's it. Okay.
Now snug it up with the socket. That makes you get that wire in that little slit.
Yep. Oops. Flies are biting really bad. At least they're biting me. They like me better than you, apparently. And that's it. Jeez. Mostly by finger.
Yeah.
That initial
Didn't
break
take much.
loose.
Yeah.
That kills you. That's weird. That is nasty though.
Yeah.
Okay, now
And then hook it back
I
up
gotta
to.
put my wires back in here. Plug wires so they won't catch on nothing. And this is gonna come up. It actually went up and over the other way.
keep it away from the
other stuff. Yes.
Yeah. The engine as much as you can.
Yep. Come on, you silly savage. And there we go.
Okay.
And clip this back on. Okay, wise guy.
Yeah, those clips sometimes are
got it.
A little bit of a hassle, aren't they?
Yeah, I got it. Okay. And this car's done. Thank you very much.
Well, we'll have to go for a drive to see if it is, but
yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of dirt.
Nasty down there. I even got the hammer if I needed it. But
yeah, I shouldn't need a hammer.
Hit them like that. Okay, now
pick our tools up and
let's go back to the garage.
Because it was pretty much doing it quite a bit.
Really bad. Lately.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, you silly savage. Okay. Let's go to the garage.
Well, we're going to pick up the tools and then we're going to take it for a little spin and see how it goes. So we'll come back and get ready to take it for a test drive.